Hi guys, I told you in the last video that I had a surprise for you, so it's time to reveal it. As you know, the building of this boat was only possible thanks to your support. If it wasn't for the coffees that you guys bought me, I would not be able to afford building it, even though it's a cheap build. You guys are amazing, thank you so much. So I decided to thank you all by having you aboard every time I go out sailing, and the only way I have to do that is like so. I will write the name of everyone who contributed by buying me a coffee on this bulkhead. And yes, Marina bought me a coffee when I told her I was writing the names on the bulkhead. Cheeky. Apart from her name's position on the bulkheads, because I want to keep having relaxed sailing sessions, all other names are placed randomly. If you don't see your name in there, don't worry, this is just a placeholder. And I will be collecting the names all the way to the day before the launch, when I will varnish over it and seal it for good. There are a few someones who contributed, and some I managed to get their names, or what I believe to be their names, from the email address. Others, like the Flying Manatee, Bronchellas and Hurdurdur, I can't figure out their names. So if you want to have your real names there, guys, please send me an email using the same mail as you used on the Buy Me a Coffee page and tell me your real names. If not, I will keep the alias. And if by any chance these are your real names, I apologize already, Mr. Manatee. So, once again guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you real soon.